The curtain lights are the perfect solution for all your holiday lighting needs. These lights are perfect for any occasion from Christmas to Valentine's Day. With a wide variety of patterns to choose from, you can easily switch between holidays to create the perfect atmosphere. Not only do they look beautiful, but they also are fully programmable. You can easily customize the lights to your liking and create unique displays for each holiday. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to add some ambiance to your home, the curtain lights will bring magic and joy to every moment. So don't wait, upgrade your holiday decor with the versatile curtain lights.